There was some rust on the edge of the fender, and I didn't want to wait until it spread. Before painting, I wiped everything with silicone remover and a tack cloth to remove dust. I started painting only the primed area with a light coat. Then gradually increased the spray area with the second coat, and for the third coat, I sprayed an even wider area, starting from the primed section and slightly lifting the gun at the end to blend the transition. Once it dried, I applied clear coat using an NTools 4000B spray gun with a 1.3mm nozzle, 2 layers in total. My mistake was moving the gun a bit too slowly, which caused a small clear coat run, but overall, I'm happy with the result.